In this tutorial video, we're going to use the HandyPress and install Crystal Rivets from snaptools.com. They're not available from Sailrite.
There are many reasons the HandyPress may just be the world's best bench mount hand press, but the main one is this: there's one press for all the dies, no matter the brand. If it was made for a hand press, chances are it will work in the HandyPress.
Before we can install the Crystal Rivets from snaptools.com, we need to punch a 2mm hole in our assembly. This is leather. The upper die from snaptools.com is an M8 by 1.25 thread, which means you'll need to purchase the HandyPress stitching chisel and die adapter. It comes with a rubber O-ring that needs to be pushed onto the threaded post of the die that you're going to be using. Push it all the way to the base as shown. Now thread on that adapter that you purchased from Sailrite and thread it all the way to the rubber O-ring and twist it securely so it's nice and tight. Now insert the upper die with the adapter into the upper shaft of the HandyPress and tighten down the thumb screw. Grab the lower spring coil and its washer. Place the washer on the post of the lower die as shown. Then place the spring on the lower post, rotating it until it's all the way up against the washer. Now drop the lower die in the base of the HandyPress and tighten down the thumb screw. Now we need to set the sweet compression. What we want is the rubber portion of the upper die to come in contact with the lower die. You can raise or lower the upper shaft by rotating it to the left or to the right. Here we need to lower the shaft, so we're turning it to the left. Now the rubber on the upper shaft is coming in contact with the lower die. Now we have the sweet compression as the lever is at 10 degrees down from the horizontal position. First we'll take the back side of our rivet cap and insert it in the upper die as seen here. Then we'll take our bling rivet and insert it through the hole that we pre-punched in our assembly. Be sure there is some posts sticking through the opposite side of your assembly. Then position it over the die, making sure that it is centered well. Depress the lever of the HandyPress, and now your crystal rivet is installed beautifully. If you need to adjust the compression, simply rotate the shaft on the HandyPress up or down. And now you can set these rivets as quickly as you can load the upper die, push the rivet through the hole, depress the lever, and repeat. It's that easy. So as you can see, the HandyPress works great with the dies from snaptools.com. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to see more tutorial videos as they become available. I'm Eric Grant. Thanks for watching.